Hello guys, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to explain about one of the very often tasks we do as developers in real time. So let's say I have a code here. I did some modifications like delete something, added something, and did some changes. Now before committing this code to the server source control, okay, we have to compare what changes we did to this file. Normally, the changes we did here will be shown in the team explorer here, if it is a team foundation server source control, or here in case the source controller is Git. So anyways, in this demo environment, we don't have neither of them. So I'm going to explain how the comparison happens. In general, the changes will be shown here, and the file will be displayed here. And once you select that file and then right click compare with previous version, the comparison window will be like this. Let's say this is the original code, the previous code, which is non-mod, which is the code previous to your changes, and this is the file after you modified. Essentially, this is the same thing. This is after your changes. The right side is after your changes. No modified code. And this is the code in the server. Okay, when you click compare, it will be shown like this. Okay, so how do you identify the differences? So you do it by line. Otherwise, you see here, you see here the changes. You can come down, you see here, this is a comment I have added and it is not present in the original code. That's why it is showing this as difference. Okay, you can see this, the comparison here also. This is a tool called beyond compare. In real time, you will be using the Visual Studio Code Editor, code comparison tool. As we cannot see that in the demo environment, so I'm explaining this in beyond compare tool. So don't bother that you don't have this tool, but this is how the code comparison is done. Okay, and now if I select here this, go to the show differences, it is showing all the differences. Okay, this is here, you have added the new validation. You have seen the earlier code, right? This is earlier code, right? This comment you have added, it collapsed all the unchanged code. That means it collapsed all the unchanged code. This is all unchanged. Okay, it collapsed everything and showing only the difference. This is the one I added. So as you are working on it in the server, somebody removed this method. Somebody somebody added this method. Sorry. So somebody added this method. Understand? This is not present in your code. The right side is your code. Somebody added while you are working on it. You won't be having the latest changes. Somebody added this and committed to the server. That's why it is not being shown here. On the left side is it is showing this is present. If you want to copy the latest change to your local code, you just have to click this. This copies the server code to your local file. Understand? And also, if you go to the next change, okay, next change, this is the code you have removed from the server. That it is not present here. You can observe it. You have everything here. Just let's expand this. This method is in your local. This is also in server. But this code is not there in the server. That means either you removed this, or either you removed this or somebody have removed it from the server. Sorry, it's the other way around. You added this or somebody removed it from the server. Okay, if you added, you know, right? You are the one who have added. If you added this change, you will commit it. Okay, if you have not added it, you will just simply remove this code before committing, because somebody else has removed it from the server and you don't want to reinsert this. You have to remove. Always remember, you have to check in only the changes you made. Okay, this is about code comparison. Hope you understood it. Thanks for watching.